Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best water dispenser on the market, the eSeedy USB charging automatic water dispenser designed specifically for 5-gallon bottles. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even out camping, this portable electric drinking water jug pump promises convenience and efficiency like no other. Right out of the box, this water pump impresses with its compact and lightweight design. Measuring just under 3 inches in depth and height, and about 5 inches wide, it easily fits on standard 5-gallon water bottles without taking up much space. The sleek black finish made from durable ABS plastic gives it a modern look that blends well with any environment. Installation is a breeze and takes just a few simple steps. The dispenser features a 304 stainless steel spout, connected to a food-grade silicone hose, ensuring every drop of water stays safe and fresh. All you have to do is connect these parts, fasten the unit to your bottle, and you're ready to go. The design is universal, fitting all standard bottlenecks measuring around 2.16 inches, so you can use it with 2, 3, 4, or 5-gallon bottles. If you notice any looseness, a bottle cap adapter is available to keep it snug. What truly sets this dispenser apart is its rechargeable battery system. Powered by a built-in lithium polymer battery, a full charge can last through the dispensing of water from 4 to 6 bottles, which means you only need to recharge it once or twice a month under normal usage. The device uses a safe 5V 2A USB charger, so you can power it up using a wall adapter, power bank, or even your laptop. Just avoid fast chargers to maintain battery health. Operating the dispenser is as simple as it gets, just one button controls everything. Press once to start pumping water, and press again to stop. This smart design also includes an automatic shut-off feature that stops the pump after 1 minute if you forget to press stop, so you don't have to stand around waiting. The pump's motor is powerful yet efficient, rated at 4 watts, capable of pumping 1 liter of water in just 1 minute. That's about 30% faster than a typical manual pump. The eSeedy water dispenser is not only fast and reliable but also designed with health in mind. The stainless steel spout and food-grade silicone hose ensure the water remains pure and uncontaminated. The high-density plastic body adds durability while remaining lightweight and portable, perfect for those who want a hassle-free solution to water dispensing without bulky machines. For those who love outdoor adventures, camping, or need a convenient office solution, this device offers portability without sacrificing function. It's small enough to carry along yet sturdy enough to withstand regular use. Plus, it minimizes noise during operation, making it less disruptive in quiet environments. In summary, the eSeedy USB charging automatic water dispenser offers a combination of ease of use, safety, speed, and portability. It's a smart upgrade from traditional manual pumps and heavy water coolers. With its rechargeable battery, one-button operation, and universal fit, it's designed to simplify your daily water needs effortlessly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient water dispenser for your 5-gallon bottles, the eSeedy model is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.